What's going on, guys? So I have a special video today. You will never believe I'm actually going to be reviewing some wipes. You know, these are Huggies wipes. Man, fragrance free. No, I'm not doing a review on wipes. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do an unboxing video, but it looks like my wife already opened up my box. She kind of took the whole point of my video was to open the box, but it makes it easier for me. So, check it out. What could be inside? Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. All right, let's see what we got here in this box. Okay. So, this is an Intercom, Motocom, that my brother-in-law bought, and I got this so that we can communicate with each other while we're riding. Plus you can listen to music with it and answer your phone with it. It's gonna be awesome. I was gonna get one for my wife, but we don't go on too many rides together because we have a child. So maybe we'll get her one, but I just went with the one pack. Another thing I got is it's like Christmas around here all the time. Not really, like every few months, but it feels great getting some cool stuff, saving your money and buying some new gear. I like it. Feel very blessed. All right, so what I got here is a Nelson-Rigg Tank Bag. And again, I bought this because, okay, get this, hold up. Let me give you some background. All right, so I got this and that because my brother-in-law, he has had his brand new KLR 650. I swear it's been like a month, maybe a month. The dude has tank bag, saddle bags, big duffel bag thing on the back. He's gone moto camping. He has crash bars. He has like the saddlebag bars that act as crash bars. He has a seat pad. He has the comm system. He just did something where he took it all apart and I don't know what he was doing. Took the thing apart. He has a phone holder. I know there's more. Skid plate. And if I missed anything, it doesn't matter because that's a lot of stuff. So moral of the story is, I've had my bike for a year. He's had his bike for a month and he's got it fully decked out. Like he's already driven it. I would bet that he has almost as much miles. I know that's pushing it. I would say he probably has a fourth of the amount of miles my bike has on it right now, being a month old and mine a year old. So he's pretty hardcore. It's good. He's not a rich dude. He's not out. He saves his money, and it's just awesome. He's inspiring me. So the first time I actually washed my motorcycle was with him with his new bike. He'd had it for like a week, and he's like, I need to wash my bike and do all this, and I'm like, this will be the first time I've washed mine, so let's do it. Anyways, rant over. Let's check out this bag. All right, so this is the Nelson-Rigg Tank Bag. Rip that off there. This thing feels nice. Look how compact it is. So this thing actually will get all huge because during our ride today, he had his all expanded, and that's cool. So the zipper has this little piece that goes over it, keep it protected. I don't know anything about this bag, so this isn't like a review and like I'm gonna tell you all the specs. I'm just showing it to you, all right? So let's look at the main pocket. Main pocket here. Here's the straps to hook it onto your motorcycle. Has a pouch, a little pouch here. This thing is nice feeling, it feels very quality. So a little pouch here. That's not a pouch, so what the? Okay. So this is how you put your map or your phone or anything you'd want to see while you're riding. You just put it right in there. And it has this divider in here. I'm thinking I'm gonna put like my camera in here and stuff like that. So it has this main pocket. Close that up. I swear this thing expanded. Maybe I got a different one than he did. Maybe he got like a bigger one. Yeah, this thing seems smaller, but I like this. This looks way, I want it. So his bike, he's got like big saddle bags. Like I think a bigger bag than this. I thought I got the same one, but I'm going more minimalistic. Like I want to keep it light, keep it small. Because his bike is big and it looks good because the bike's so big. But if I start throwing huge stuff on my little Honda CRF 250L, it's gonna look dumb. Okay, so I think I got a smaller version and I'm actually happy about that because today, I mean, I'll show you. His was like, boom, it was like real tall and stuff and he had it all expanded. And I was like, oh, cool, extra space, but that's huge. And I'm not seeing a way to expand mine. So mine must be like an Enduro one. I don't know, man. Looks like this thing can come off if you want it to, who knows. So yeah, dude, that's cool. This is just a small little guy. I think I'm gonna like that. I didn't really want a huge pouch. I mean, the extra storage would have been nice, but yeah. So that's it. I thought I was gonna have to like expand it up, and his had like more pockets and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys his compared to mine, and you can look at both of them and see which one you want. That's even better. I like it. All right. So time for the real test. This just occurred to me. So I got the littler one apparently. We need to make sure it's big enough for, yeah, you know what I'm saying. We'll just go ahead and be optimistic and we'll start out with a sure thing and we'll go subcompact. Safety first. Check that for me. Empty. All right, we're good. We'll leave it in the case. All right, that is a perfect fit. I really hope my Glock 19 fits in there because this be not my everyday carry gun. So I might be stealing this from my wife. You know what? I could get away with it. I think, you know, it's not flat, but I could still have something else in there, you know, but ideal, man, that fits right in there. The little guy's gonna work out. I mean, if yeah, see that YouTube? Empty. Yeah, even with the case off, it's kind of a, give you a close up there. It'll fit, it'll close. You could put some stuff around here, your wallet or whatever, which isn't bad. Glock 19, it's a compact gun. But with this bag, I think we're gonna have to go sub. So I'm gonna put this off to the side, open up this guy here, and we'll kind of show you what's in the box. All right. So this is the brand that I got. There was a few brands out there, but he said his is working great, so I went with that. Him and his wife have these both in their helmets. So it has this little mic that comes around, wind canceling mic, these little speakers that have the Velcro, and charging cable. I don't even know how all this is gonna work. I know that this little piece goes on the side of your helmet, and I don't know if I'll do like an install video tomorrow because I don't know. I don't like forcing people to be in my YouTube videos, but my brother-in-law is gonna show me how to do it, hook it up. But either way, once it's in, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so we'll get this hooked up tomorrow. It's gonna be sweet being able to communicate. I'll let you guys know how it works, what I like about it. This was just a quick video, kind of some cool things that I got. I'm really pumped about this bag. I will probably get this installed before I go tomorrow as well, and we can do like a side-by-side comparison with his. I'm thinking, because of what my brother-in-law is doing with his bike, that I want to get a few more things to make it worthy to go moto camping. Probably get some little saddle bags, maybe some type of bag up top to put some things. But that will be in time because I already don't have the time to do the things I want to do right now. So enough of me rambling on. Let me show you what my bag looks like on my bike. Alright guys, just to clarify all of that confusion in the video, so I asked my brother-in-law which bag he got, and this is the link he sent me. I think he was just smarter than me and knew that I would need a dual sport bag and not the bag that he got. This is the Nelson-Rigg SE3060 black and gray Hurricane Dual Sport Enduro Waterproof Tank Bag. So that is what my bag is called. I'll go ahead and show you guys his bag as well. You can see how I have it hooked up on the bike. Looks really good. I'm really glad I got the smaller one. Let me go ahead and show you inside the bag. So yeah, this bag is gonna work for me. I like how it looks on the bike. Just enough room for my camera, possibly my firearm. Yeah, I'll go ahead and show you what Jace's bag looks like on his KLR 650. Before I jump straight to the bag, I just want to give you a walk around of Jace's bike. So he actually got an upgraded windshield by Zero Gravity. One thing I missed earlier. There's the phone holder he has, and then here's what the tank bag looks like. Much bigger than the one I got. It expands. There's pockets on the side. I think the only downfall with this bag is it's not waterproof. But it does come with a rainfly cover, and the model number for this bag is RG1045. Here's that seat cover I mentioned. Looks very comfortable. If we do some long distance stuff, I might have to get me one of those. Here's the crash bars for the front. And then we'll move down and check out his heavy duty skid plate. Here's the crash bars on the back, which wrap around the whole back side of the motorcycle, and those support his saddlebags. Alright guys, that concludes this video. If you're considering a tank bag for your motorcycle, I hope this video helped, at least gave you two options. I appreciate you guys being here. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in the next one.